No. Oh, look what Daddy's got. William.
That didn't work very well.
How do you do that? Yeah. And we got to do it all over again.
Grab the regular phone, he likes that.
No, it's a cell phone. It's quite knowledgeable of what it. Just you wait. Ready, steady, go. Wait. Not gonna do it, are you? Oh, now what are we gonna do?
Where's Daddy? Get Daddy. Go get Daddy. Give Daddy the phone.
Get over here.
Give Daddy the phone. Come on. Give Daddy the phone.
Yeah.
Give it to Daddy.